Hey guys, how you doing? It's Kevtech here bringing another video on information technology. I hope you're having a good day. Happy Friday. And today I want to talk to you about degrees. Obviously, you do to make sure you know what to do. Rate, comment, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Greatly appreciate it. So I got an email sent to me and I'm gonna read it out loud and I'll put it here actually on one of my screenshot. Um so my dad did IT for main framework for the government when he retired last year after 40 years of work. I want to ask you, do you need a degree to get into IT? Which is why I'm making this video today. And I responded with, I don't have a degree. You could get a job without a degree. It goes back to the resume certifications and how you market yourself. So, I'm not here to butcher or bash or attack degrees because I see people get jobs with a degree and I see people get jobs without a degree. So at the end of the day, like the short answer is it depends on the company, it depends on the hiring manager, it depends on HR, it depends who you apply for as far as jobs are concerned. And I'll give you real life examples. Um, I ran an internship about 3 years ago. I ran an internship. It was 2020. And the one guy that I trained, we did training together, and I trained him on Office 365, Active Directory, ticketing system. We did mentorship. I did a lot of hands-on training, and he had access to virtual labs and stuff like that. And what I did with him was I trained him on stuff that you need to know for the job, right? So what ended up happening was he applied for jobs, we fixed his resume, and he got hired for a job without having any certs. All he had was a computer science degree. That's a real life example. He lives in Texas. He got his first job making 95K, which is only a computer science degree. That's one example. A second example of someone that is on my Discord right now. He has no degree, no certs. He got a job in IT, and it's in my channel, my Discord channel. I have a free Discord channel that people could just come and join and ask questions. In my free Discord channel, I have something called success stories. So these are some stories that people they talk about themselves and how they got a job and what they did to get a job. And when you go into my Discord, you'll have different stories. Like I got a job because I had the A+. I got a job because I knew somebody. I got a job because I had my degree and I was able to leverage that job. So this guy, that I personally know because I hung out with him before, and because he came to New York, I hung out with him. He got a job without any degree, with no degree, no certs. That's another example. Example number three is someone that I personally trained that worked for T-Mobile, and they worked for a law firm, and they got a job in IT in New York City, making close to 75K. That's another example. So, like, for me to say, like, do you need a degree? Really depends on the company. Like, you could get a job in IT with a degree or without a degree. But I go back to like increasing your chances of getting a job, right? So the only way to do that is by having more stuff, right? Like you could have a cert, but sometimes if you want to increase your chances, you're gonna have to get a degree. And what I recommend for someone, usually when they ask me these questions, like, do you recommend WGU? WGU? I'm like, yeah, I take WGU. Worcester Governor University. Like, I do recommend WGU. You have other alternatives. Like, I made videos on this, like nonprofit companies like Empower or Prescolas or Yearly Up. Year Up. It really depends. Like, the sky's the limit in the United States because we have a lot of free resources, right? So, but at the end, like, I'm gonna go back to this. At the end of the day, I don't want you spending money. It doesn't make any sense, right? So look at the free resources. They have certs like the Google IT support with the A+. You can combine those together, build some home labs, have some project work, and you should be good to go after that. But like I said, again, it really goes back to the hiring manager. It really goes back to HR. It really depends on a lot of different circumstances. But I see people get jobs with or without a degree. So do you need a degree? Final answer, no. To increase your chances, I recommend you get a degree if you have money and you can afford it. It goes back to your financial background and how much money do you have and how much are you willing to invest in yourself. Do you want to just you want to do the non-traditional role and do certs like I did and I got a job in IT, or do you want to go and do a degree and then do a certification as well and then combine them together to increase your chances of getting a job, right? So with that being said, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Hope you guys have a great Friday, and I hope this answers your question. And I'll see you in the next one. Later. Peace, guys. Bye.